A stack of light and fluffy espresso macadamia nut pancakes, topped with Kiwi Coulis and surrounded by blackberry syrup, is a delicious way to start the day, or a fun treat to serve at a cocktail or dinner party. To make about 3/4 of a cup of blackberry pancake syrup, poach 225 grams blackberries, 60 grams orange juice, and 60 grams honey at 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and allow to cool. Then strain. Stored in the refrigerator, blackberry pancake syrup will be at its best for about a week. To make a generous cup of Kiwi Coulis, poach 225 grams peeled kiwi fruit, 60 grams orange juice, and 60 grams honey at 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and allow to cool. Then blend and strain. Stored in the refrigerator, Kiwi Coulis will be at its best for about a week. To make 2 cups of espresso macadamia nut pancake batter, or enough batter to make a few dozen small appetizer-sized pancakes, scale the wet and dry ingredients separately. For the wet ingredients, blend 30 grams macadamia nuts with 30 grams espresso coffee, 150 grams water, 50 grams melted butter, and an egg until smooth. For the dry ingredients, add to a mixing bowl 120 grams flour, 50 grams sugar, 3 grams or half teaspoon salt, and 10 grams baking powder. Then mix into the wet ingredients just until combined. Let the batter rest in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes before using it and will last a day or two with a tight-fitting lid. I love to use my well-seasoned cast iron pancake pan, but a non-stick pan works good too. For a 2.5-inch pancake, I use a tablespoon-sized scoop or 15 grams of batter. The pan needs to be hot enough to brown the pancake quickly without burning. Always brush a thin layer of melted butter onto the surface of the pan where the batter is meant to spread into, which should start to bubble a little bit but not smoke. It is important to be able to flip a pancake, so leave room, and we know it is time to flip a pancake when the top changes color from the heat and small holes appear, which should take about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side, adding fresh butter to the pan before flipping. Serve a stack of espresso macadamia nut pancakes warm with Kiwi Coulis and blackberry pancake syrup.